Introducing the new Prose Band. It is a brainwave sensing headset that brings communication to a new level. The device detects your thoughts through electrical activity of the brain using electrodes. Our brain cells communicate via electrical impulses and are active all the time even when we are asleep. The received signals are then processed and converted into text. This text can be transmitted into various electronic devices such as smartphones and tablets. It is designed such that the sensors will be able to safely detect the brainwave signals of the users. Prose Band then interprets the meaning of the readings through the use of advanced and sophisticated artificial intelligence. The signal then causes effect to the applications within the device. The band can also be used as a tool to further understand and study on how brain functions and also aid in the development of new neuroscience technologies. It can also be used for focused meditation, education, and even as a mood tracking device. The band can also be used for people with difficulties in communicating, such as speech impairments, autism, and even comatose patients. Removing these obstacles, communication is now more convenient than before. Now, let us take a look on how one of our users benefited from this technology. What are you waiting for? Get a Prose Band today.
Created using Powtoon.